Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepchan Abhijit Malik. Today's date is 23rd of November 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the inheritance. So before starting our discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Malik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from J.H. Rai Soni College of Engineering and Management Wagoli Pune and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Swedish College of Engineering and Polytechnic Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about the today's our discussion topic, that is the discussion about the inheritance. So firstly we will see about the definition of the inheritance, what it means. So inheritance is the concept, or it is the one of the concept of the OOPS in which the properties from the desired class will be transferred to the new class. That is the properties or features of the derived class will be transferred to the new class. That's the definition of the inheritance, or it is the actual working of the inheritance. So now we will see about some of the features of the inheritance. So first feature of the inheritance is the in inheritance we can obtain a parent-child relationship, means also it is also called as the subclass superclass relationship. That is the derived class, and the first class is called as the superclass or the parent class, and the child class is also called as the subclass, or the new class is also called as the subclass. That's the actual definition of that particular classes, what it called. That is what is the superclass and what is the subclass. So now we will see about the second feature, that is the code reusability will be achieved in that inheritance concept, and means what by using what the code reusability will be achieved. So in inheritance the properties or the methods or the variables from the parent class will be transferred or extended in the derived in the new class or the child class. By using that the reusability will be achieved. So now we will see about the third feature, that is the extent, means by using the extend keyword we can achieve the properties from the parent class to the child class or the subclass. That's the third feature of the inheritance. Now we will see about the fourth feature of the inheritance. The private methods or the private variable declared in the derived class or in the first class or the parent class will can't be inherited or extended in the child class. That's the main feature of that inheritance concept. So now we will see the most important last feature of that inheritance is that in inheritance we can achieve the superclass or subclass relationship, and the parent-child relationship are also called as the easy relationship. That's the sum of the features of that inheritance. Now we will see about the syntax of that inheritance. That is the first is the class A, in which there is the sum of the two variables, that is the int A and int B, and in a class B which extend the class A, or in a class A there are two methods, that is the addition or subtraction, or in class B there are again two methods, that is the multiplication or division, but the class B extend the class A. That's why the both methods present in a class A will be extended in class B also. Means if you create an object of the subclass, then in that subclass or in the child class we can obtain both four methods, that is the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. That's all about the syntax of that inheritance concept. And there is one feature of that inheritance, that is the it is not useful to create an object of that super class or the parent class, because there is no meaning for the creation of the object of that super class. Because if you want to create an object, then we must create the object of the subclass or the child class. That's the main feature of that inheritance. Now we will see some of the types of the inheritance. That is the actually total 5 types of the inheritance. That is the first one is the single level inheritance, then second one is the multi-level inheritance, third one is the multiple inheritance, fourth one is the hierarchical inheritance, and fifth one is the hybrid inheritance. So now we will see about the first type of the inheritance, that is the single level inheritance. In a single level inheritance there is only one parent and only one child, means one parent will be extended by the one child. That's the simple level inheritance, means the one parent contains that some of the methods will be extended in the child which is extended by that particular child. That's the single level inheritance. Now we will see about the multi-level inheritance. If we talk about the multi-level inheritance, there is the relationship between grandparent, parent, or child. Means grandparent properties will be extended by a parent, and the parent properties will be extended by child. That's somewhat like the child will be able to extend the properties of the grandparent also, because the parent is also extended the properties of the grandparents. That is the some of the uh, way of the multi-level inheritance. Now we will see about the multiple inheritance. Actually, the Java is not supported for the multiple inheritance because it causes the diamond level problem. That is because means if we talk about the multiple inheritance, there are two parents and one child, and the child is get confused to extend whose property. That's why it causes the problem of the diamond level problem. Now we will see about the hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, there is only one parent and the multiple of the childs. Means multiple childs is able to extend the properties of the parent. That's the hierarchical inheritance. And the last one is the hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is the combination of any of the above types of the inheritance. That's why Java is also not supported the hybrid inheritance also, because if you talk about the hybrid inheritance, it is the combination of that all the inheritance types. That's why the multiple inheritance also comes. That's why the Java is not supported the not supported the hybrid inheritance also. That's all about the today's our discussion topic. uh, Thank you.